Ukraine gained independence after the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991 and has since veered between seeking closer integration with Western Europe and being drawn into the orbit of Russia, which sees its interests as threatened by a Western-leaning Ukraine. Europe's second-largest country, Ukraine is a land of wide, fertile agricultural plains, with large pockets of heavy industry in the east. While Ukraine and Russia share common historical origins, the west of the country has closer ties with its European neighbors, particularly Poland, and nationalist sentiment has been strongest there. A significant minority of the population uses Russian as its first language, particularly in the cities and the industrialized east. Advertisement. An uprising against pro-Russian President Viktor Yanukovych in 2014 ushered in a series of Western-leaning governments. But Russia used the opportunity to seize the Crimean Peninsula and arm insurgent groups to occupy parts of the east, eventually launching a full-scale invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. Read more country profiles by BBC Monitoring. Republic of Ukraine, facts. Capital, Kiev. Area, 603,550 square kilometers, population, 43.5 million. Language, Ukrainian. Life expectancy, 68 years, men, 77 years, women. Leaders. President, Volodymyr Zelensky. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky speaks during a working session in Mariinsky Palace, in Kiev, on June 16, 2022. Image source Getty Images. Mr. Zelensky's initial claim to fame was playing a fictional president in a television comedy program, and his victorious election campaign echoed his character's anti-establishment stance. His Servant of the People party went on to win early parliamentary elections in July 2019, giving him control of both the executive and the legislature. In his inaugural address, President Zelensky said ending the Moscow-run insurgency in the east would be his priority, and he went on to rally Ukraine's resistance to the Russian invasion